Namaste Vidya. I, JV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is computer system and what is their operating system. So in this video we discuss the overview of operating system. So what is the an operating system? In previous video we discussed about the what is the operating system, but a program that act an intermediary between a user of a program of a computer and the computer hardware operating system goals. So first one is execute user program and make solving user program easier. Second, make the computer system convenient to use. Third, use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. So this is all about the operating system. So what is computer system architecture? So computer system can be divided into four components. First one hardware, second operating system, third application programmer, and fourth one the user. So what is hardware? Hardware means it provide basic computing resources like CPU, memory, input output devices, keyboard, mouse, etc. Second, operating system. Operating system means it control and coordinate use of hardware among various application and user. Third, application programmer. It defines the way in which the system resources are used to solve the computing problem of the user, like a word processor, compiler, web browser, database system, video games, and all. Next one is user. So what is user? People's machine and other computer which is using the computer system, that is called a user. Now we discuss the all the computer system for all component in a single frame in a system. So suppose this first one is a computer hardware which include your keyboard, mouse, etc. Second one is operating system. In which operating system you work, like suppose Windows 10, Windows X, in which system and application program like for compiler, assembler, text editor, database system. And who use these assembler, a compiler, text editor, which is user. Maybe user 1, user 2, user 3, your teacher, student, dean, director, and many more. Like, now we discuss operating system definition. What is system definition? So operating system is a resource allocator. Second, it manage all resources. Third, it decides between conflicting requests for efficient and fair resources use. It is a control program. It control execute of program to prevent error and improper use of the computer. Next, no universally accepted definition. Everything a vendor ship when you order an operating system is good approximation, but varies widely. Uh, Next, one program running at all time of the computer is the kernel. So everything else is either a system program which ship with the operating system or an application program. What is computer startup? Bootstrap program is loaded at power up of reboot. Second, typically stored in ROM or EPROM, generally known as firmware. Initialize all aspect of system, load operating system kernel, and start execute. This is the computer system organization. A computer system operation, it works on the computer system operation. One or more CPUs device control connect through common bus, providing access to shared memory, concurrent execution of CPUs and devices computing for memory cycles. Suppose this is a memory and this is a CPU, disk controller, USB controller, graphics adapter. This one is monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, disk. Mouse, keyboard, printer, which is connected with the USB controller, and all these connected with the memory. So this is the computer system organization. How in this type we connect our each and every part of the system in a sequence way. So what is the system architecture operation? Computer system operation. Input devices and the CPU can execute concurrently. Each device's controller is in charge of particular device type. Each device controller has a local buffer. CPU moves data from to main memory to local buffer. The input output is from the device to local buffer of controller. So this is all the computer system operation. If you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.